What can this $195,000 drone do? A guardian of the skies, silently stalking through the night, is a weapon of immense power in a world shrouded in shadows, where secrets lurk and invisible powers influence the military world. There are a lot of technology intertwined with our daily lives. There are marvels that push the boundaries of our imagination. They possess the power to change how the game will be played. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the advanced technologies that are revolutionizing the world. Today, we have something truly remarkable to showcase: the Black Hornet Drone. A device that dances on the precipice between reality and possibility. A marvel so small it defies expectations, yet so powerful it captures the essence of human ingenuity. It whispers secrets in the air, moving silently with a grace that bellies its diminutive frame. The Black Hornet Drone, developed by FLIR Systems, is a breakthrough in micro-drone technology. It measures just a few inches in size and weighs less than a couple of ounces. But don't let its small stature deceive you. This little drone packs an enormous amount of power and versatility. Now let's dive into the key features that make the Black Hornet Drone so impressive. Size and portability. The Black Hornet Drone's small size allows it to be easily carried in a soldier's pocket, making it a valuable asset in tactical missions and reconnaissance operations.
The Black Hornet is a squad and platoon UAS asset that can be employed for reconnaissance on the battlefield.
At the core of the Black Hornet Drone lies an extraordinary feat of miniaturization. The drones measure around 16 by 2.5 centimeters and provide troops on the ground with local situational awareness. They're small enough to fit in one hand and weigh 18 grams with batteries. The science behind its small stature involves cutting-edge engineering techniques, advanced materials, and precision manufacturing. Shrinking components without compromising performance requires an intricate understanding of material science, microelectronics, and aerodynamics. Stealth capabilities. With its quiet electric motors and advanced aerodynamics, the Black Hornet Drone operates silently, allowing it to fly undetected even in hostile environments. The Black Hornet Drone's ability to move swiftly and silently through the air is a testament to its aerodynamic design. Inspired by nature's own aviators, such as insects and birds, the drone's streamlined body and optimized wing shape minimize drag and enable precise control. Aerodynamic principles such as laminar flow and vortex generation are harnessed to maximize flight efficiency and stability. By reducing noise and maintaining a low profile, the Black Hornet Drone remains undetectable, ensuring its stealth capabilities for military and surveillance applications.
So the capabilities of the Hornet, it can reach out to 1.5 kilometers. It has about 22 minutes of flight time. In each set that the soldier carries, there's two of them. One has day and the other one has nighttime capabilities. It's able to send pictures. You can attach it to your kit.
Advanced sensor technology, eyes in the skies. One of the Black Hornet Drone's most impressive features is its high-resolution imaging capability. It's equipped with advanced sensor technology, including cameras and thermal imaging systems. This drone captures high-resolution images and videos and transmits real-time imagery with exceptional clarity.
It has thermals and infrared, so it has white hot, black hot. So you can take screenshots as you're using it. Like, you can have the camera going, you can get it up above, you can take a screenshot, and then on the little tablet you have that you're using, you can take a look at the screenshot and like see where the enemy is, what the possible terrain is around it. So anyone that's played a video game before has a really easy time using it.
Autonomy and navigation, intelligent flight. Autonomous flight is a key aspect of the Black Hornet Drone's versatility. It can be programmed to follow predefined routes, conduct automated reconnaissance missions, and execute complex maneuvers with minimal human intervention. Achieving such autonomy requires the integration of cutting-edge algorithms, GPS systems, and onboard sensors for obstacle avoidance and navigation.
Black Hornet is an unmanned drone that we use for surveillance and scouting, like objectives, terrain, just generally forward of wherever we're at.
Applications and future developments. The Black Hornet drone's impact stretches across various fields, including military and defense, public safety, infrastructure inspection, and environmental monitoring.
In Hungary, we employed them at observation posts behind IV lines to observe enemy movements as they're crossing. I think it's a great asset for our platoons and squads. In a decentralized fight, we're able to provide information to the commanders. It's very rapid and quick.
Its ability to gather critical intelligence, provide situational awareness, and access hard-to-reach areas has transformed the way we approach challenges in these domains. As technology continues to advance, future iterations of the Black Hornet drone are expected to feature enhanced capabilities, longer flight times, increased payload capacities, and improved sensor systems. Conclusion. The Black Hornet drone showcases modern science and engineering achievements by combining miniaturization, aerodynamics, sensor technology, and autonomous systems. It revolutionizes unmanned aerial vehicle capabilities and represents a future where intelligent, efficient, and versatile drones become integral to our lives, opening new frontiers in exploration, security, and beyond. That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed learning about the Black Hornet drone, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.